Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. In today's recipe, I'll be showing a very traditional recipe from our homes and specially very good for this rainy season, that is pepper Kuzhambu, also known as Milagu Kuzhambu. Especially this rainy season brings with it colds, coughs, minor ailments with change of weather. So make this pepper Kuzhambu and have it with steaming hot rice and it will do wonders for you. For this, I have taken one large lemon sized piece of tamarind and soaked it in hot water. Hot water because it is faster to squeeze out the extract. Now we will take a thick extract and keep it ready. So just add only about 2 cups of water. Now we have to make a masala paste for this Kuzhambu. Take about a spoon of oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Urad dal and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or Jeera and 3 to 4 dry red chillis. Now roast all these ingredients in this oil till the dals are browned. Now the dals are browned. Add a handful of fresh curry leaves to this and again give this a stir just for a half a minute. Switch off the gas and transfer all these fried ingredients to your blender jar, and when cool we will grind it into a powder, or you can even add a little water and grind it into a paste. Both are possible. See, our curry leaves and other ingredients are powdered and ready now. Now again take about 2 tablespoon oil in the same pan, and for this recipe we always use til oil, that is sesame oil, or some people call it as gingerly oil. That gives the authentic flavor. Next adding half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. These are 2 or 3 crystals of Hing. So when the mustard splutters and the Hing is also well roasted, now you add in this tamarind extract. Add salt to taste and allow it all to boil for about 5 minutes. See, the Kuzhambu is boiling well now. At this stage add in this blended masala, curry leaves, pepper, jeera and other ingredients. Now keep the flame on sim and allow to continue boiling till it cooks well and gets a thicker consistency. See, our pepper Kuzhambu or Milagu Kuzhambu is boiling very well now and it has reached the right consistency. Can you see? It has thickened, reduced in volume. Now we can switch this off. To serve, I have some, just open the pressure cooker. I have some steaming hot rice ready. Many of me ask me about this rice, why it is brown in color. This is single polished rice, hence very good for health as it has got more fiber content in it. Now pour some Milagu Kuzhambu or pepper Kuzhambu. You can add some ghee or til oil. I prefer til oil. Mix it and have it with some papad. Excellent for this rainy season. Try it out. It's very good for health too. Thank you for watching the video. Definitely try out this recipe. Share it with your family and friends. And we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.